Hi guys, as promised, it is the new car reveal, the Porsche replacement, plus a little bit into why I actually sold the GT4. But without further ado, what is the new whip? Yep, some of you actually guessed it correctly. It is a mini John Cooper Works GP3. So something that definitely mixes the whole road and race aspects. Now there was only ever 3,000 of these models made worldwide, and 575 of those were allocated to the UK. And this is number 335. Now I love just how unique these cars are, and you literally never see them on the roads. But I did manage to have a sneaky drive of one earlier on in the year with Porsche Preston over at Anglesey. The original plan was to wait till December to purchase a new car, and I was actually looking at a mini John Cooper Works. But when we went to go test drive one, this was also there, and I just couldn't help myself. Because the GT5 is also up for sale, it means that I'm still missing that aspect of track. So this covers both bases.
But let's just stop for a second. Why did I sell the Porsche GT4? Well, I owned it for 6 months, and in those 6 months, I did 1,000 miles. Now, with finance payments and insurance, tax, everything adding up, that was definitely not value for money. So we're looking at buying a house in the next year. Those sort of payments and insurance and everything like that would be better off going into a savings account ready for when that day comes. So I was looking for something that's a bit more practical, usable day to day and affordable, but it still had to be a little bit fun. Hence the GP3.
There's going to be plenty of content to come with this, things like what actually makes a GP3, and also once I've lived with it for a little while, the 5 things I love and hate. But for now, you guys know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!